So hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to try this kind of controller, 52 volts. And then this is the turtle. And then this is my scooter. So my scooter is, the controller now is 100 volts. So let's go and let's try this kind of controller, how many speed can release it. So first we need to change the connection because this connection is only for Xiaomi. So let's go and let's take it out, all the wires and also the turtle of the motor. So let's go. Woods. So alright guys, so we are already connected now, the wires. So this is my 100 volts. So I already changed the TX60 to connect the whole new controller. So this controller is 48 to 54 volts, 25 amperes. So we only just to try this kind of controller. So let's go and let's connect. And then also I will paint the wheels to make a design, as you can see. And then another one is red. So this color is underwater. This color, to this color, red and white. So let's go and let's connect it to the controller and let's try it how many speed can reduce this kind of controller. First, we're going to put the battery. We only need the part of this from the motor and then from the turtle. So we're going to put this one and then the motor. The yellow and the green one. So this is it. Now we're going to connect the turtle. So alright guys, so we are already connected now. So let's try it. Open. So gear 1. What? So the gear 1 is 31 kilometer. So we're going to produce gear 2. So gear 2 is 42 kilometer. I'm going to change from gear 3. So this is it guys, so the only speed from 6S battery is 65 kilometer per hour. This is it guys, thank you for watching.